When we were in Dublin, our main attractions were visiting Temple Bar, the Guinness Storehouse, and Northern Ireland. You can see these videos on my channel. But we also strolled through the city, and it was quite charming. We started off with a full Irish breakfast and checked out famous sites like Trinity College, the Dublin Castle, the Molly Malone statue, and visited a few other pubs. Watch as we stroll through the charming and vibrant city of Dublin. Got the full Irish breakfast. I was going to try the Irish coffee, which is coffee with whiskey, but I didn't. Maybe later. Looks like an English breakfast, but a little bit better actually. Irish food has been surprisingly good. Right here at the Viking Diner. Just on the river by the river behind us there, just before Temple Bar. Trinity College is famous. It's Ireland's top university and it dates back to the 16th century. It also has the Book of Kells. We decided to skip the famous library because we already had a busy trip and just wanted to have a relaxing day. And we just strolled through the lovely campus and looked around. And of course, there are plenty of cool pubs throughout Dublin. Temple Bar is the most famous, but it's a tourist trap, and there are plenty of other cool pubs that are much cheaper throughout the city, like the Galloway Bay Brewery in downtown Dublin. And of course, the Brazen Head, which is Ireland's oldest pub. Check them out right here. I really got to take a piss. And I came across the Brazen Head, Ireland's oldest pub. So here we go. Ireland's oldest pub. Ireland's oldest pub, the Brazen Head. This place is cool. I did some old pubs in London. I never knew one this old. From the 1100s. Remember, Viajar es vivir. The travel is to live. Don't forget to subscribe to the Restless Explorer for more travel videos and more travel content.